What is up? This is What's for Dinner. I'm Drew. And tonight we're making a simple, easy pasta salad recipe. Of course, you have your rainbow noodles, cucumber, I love McCormick products. This is a Pasta Supreme. You use it on just about anything. Of course, you have your cherry tomatoes. We'll get to that later. And this is Hormel pepperoni diced. You could use sliced if you wanted. And of course, some El Cheapo Italian dressing. And of course, I almost forgot the celery. A couple stalks of celery. And then we're going to heat up our water to a, what do they call it, roin? Or, yeah. A roin boil. Jesus. And you want your salt, you want your water to be like the salt of the sea. Of course, I sped this up because, yeah, no one wants to see that. And here's a cool trick that I learned from watching so many videos. Use the back end of your knife. And I was doing it the wrong way for years, just to move stuff around or to scrape it off into a pan or onto a plate. And you want to make sure your water is boiling and bring it back up to a boil if it loses that. But I'm just going with what is suggested on the packaging. Of course, we're done. And I only cook them till al dente because you know you're adding Italian dressing and some other wet ingredients. And I added roughly almost a whole bottle of Italian dressing. And I don't show it in the video. I prefer Wishbone, but this local store, they do have some good Italian dressing. It's on the cheap. I didn't show. I ended up adding the whole package of the Hormel diced pepperoni. And you just want to fold it together, of course. And of course, this is just a little teaser, but the ones in the front, the chicken, is their buffalo, and then the ones in the back are barbecue, and I cooked them on the grill the same night. I need to do a chicken review, and here's normally where I do the Mr. Creepy Face Cam, which I did a bunch of takes just to show you how many takes I really do. And well, there was a couple more in there, but this is absolutely excellent recipe. And when I made the 4-pound video of the pasta salad, I used 2 boxes of the regular colored pasta and then 2 of the tricolor pasta. And I appreciate everybody out there that watches. Please like, subscribe, and share all these videos. I appreciate everybody out there